Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to take proper care of the monitor Samsung Odyssey G6. The display may be bought in different configurations of either glossy or anti-glare coating. And now let's talk about the cleaning. Remember that for high glossy models, white stains can be developed on the surface if an ultrasonic wave humidifier is used nearby. So try to prevent ultrasonic wave humidifiers nearby your monitor. Also, never press the monitor screen. That is a risk of damaging it. And now let's talk about the cleaning. Make sure to power off your monitor if you're cleaning it. In order to power it off, press on the button on the back and then go down and select power off. Also, you may want to disconnect it from your computer and when it's disconnected, disconnect the power cord as well. Then wipe it with a clean, soft and dry cloth. Then wet a soft cloth in water, wring it out well, and then you can use the cloth to wipe the exterior of the product clean, but the exterior, remember that. The back, the stand, stuff like that. Do not apply a cleaning agent that contains alcohol, solvent or surfactant to the product. So unfortunately you cannot clean this display with alcohol. That is highly discouraged by the manufacturer. I'll turn it back on. So you shouldn't do that. When you're done, also do not spray any water or detergent directly on the monitor. And then you can connect it back again, power it on, and it'll be working. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.